Hey y'all, it's T. Welcome to ryansobangee. If you are new to my channel, I ask that you subscribe before you leave. So don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when your BANGEE posts another VEO. And if you've been here before, girl, what's up? Alright y'all, it is day one of the storm. The storm here in Florida, Hurricane Ian. I almost hit the mailbox. And I will be your storm tracker for this evening. But not for real, y'all. I am out and about because, as many of you guys know, I have elderly parents that I help take care of, and I have to run errands for. So, of course, they're not going to be out in these wet streets. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, I went to about 3 grocery stores to get, you know, like storm essentials. But when I tell y'all, Walmart, Winn-Dixie, everything was like so vacant. Like, I'm talking about totally vacant. Oh no. No bread, no water, no tuna. I did get like some canned chicken, which I absolutely hate. I got that for the parents. They had some stuff out for them to stock overnight, but I bust through all them boxes to find some water, and I found a case of mini waters. I didn't steal it, of course. I bought it. Just in case y'all like, ooh, you is stealing. No, I bought it. But they didn't, you know, they never put it up. They never stocked it. They cleared out all the sandwich meat, so now I am out and about again. I heard Thursday, which is the day that the storm will officially be here, they said that most likely all of the stores will be closed. So I'm running to Walmart yet again. I'm gonna see what they had stocked up. If the early birds didn't go ahead and snatch that, because technically it is, and it is still early right now, but I'm talking about the early birds. But yeah, y'all, it's a trip. It's a lot of people on the road. It just looked like a normal day in the city, like, to be totally honest. I shared with y'all before, you know, Floridians, North Florida, we typically take the storm lightly. I don't know, that's just always been a thing. I can't say the same for South Florida, because South Florida usually gets it. It really does. So shout out to those people that may be affected by the storm. We are all in this together. And I pray that everybody be safe, no one lose anything, no one lose their way of living. I hope that y'all were able to get a lot of essentials just in case we have power outages, etc., etc. I really hope that this just passes and go on and get. If y'all are being nosy in my back seat, those are clothes that I am giving away. There are 3 big bags full of clothes that I am giving away. And that's just about it. Y'all ever been driving and when somebody do something stupid, like walk in front of the car, or their driving skills ain't up to par, and y'all like fuss and cuss and then give them a compliment at the end? I just did that. I seen this little high yellow fella, and he was doing something stupid, and I was like, don't you jump your ass in front of this damn car. Fine ass. All right, y'all, I am now pulling up at Walmart, and I see a few people coming out with drinks, water. The few that I did see, they had 2 flats at a time, so hopefully they put a limit on how many flats you can get. I forgot to mention last night when I went to Walmart to find some water, this lady, she came out and she was like, you know, where you get your water from. So remember I told y'all I tore the plastic off the unstocked items, and that's how I got my water. So she asked me how did I find the water, and I told her, and she was like, Chad, this is my 3rd time coming up here. I got 6 flats of water and I'm gonna get some more, so thank you for telling me. And then I was just like, you're the problem. You said it's only you, your husband, your son. I know you're doing all you have to do for survival, and most of the times people get into survival mode. But damn, like, you have 6 things of water. It's only 3 of y'all. Save some water for the fishes. They got a lot of police officers out. Y'all trying to steal? Not today. That's what I need. All right. Excuse me. All right, y'all. Let's see what we can and can't find. I ain't see no baskets outside, but I found one. Now I'm gonna be embarrassed if somebody run behind me and be like, hey, that's my basket. Okay, as you see, the Aquafina is out. Not everyone's favorite water, but it's here. No chips. Y'all want snacks? No chips. No chips. Sandwich meat available. Sausage, hot dogs. They have plenty of pepperoni, plenty of hot dogs, plenty of sandwich meats that are available. Currently, I'm over my sister's house. We're about to cook out, and I'm the first to arrive. We're just doing like some wings and stuff. I have the chicken. I got 20 pounds of wings, and we're gonna do like different sauces and things. So I brought y'all with me so we can go ahead and cook something up. Before I start cooking, of course, I like to wash the meat with water, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, give it a good wash before I start cooking it. So let's go. We're gonna let the chicken sit in this little mixture for about 10 to 20 minutes. But we're gonna go over here to my sister's station because she is about to make some pineapple lemonade. Y'all know how I do it. Get you a grocery bag, double bag it, and then add you some House of Audrey chicken seasoned flour. And add half a cup of regular flour.
So expensive, and I spend my money in things I don't really need. Calling tonight, I'm a friend.